Hey! In front of me is EMPORIA Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can manage app notifications on this device. You need to begin by choosing all apps, scrolling down and clicking on settings. Now tap on apps and notifications section over here. Choose notifications. And tap on the switcher next to an app from which you want to disable notifications from after clicking See All from last 7 days. I will go with Google Play Store. As you can see, all notifications from Play Store are now off, but you can always turn them back on by choosing the same switcher. You can always just tap on one of your apps over here instead and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!